Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sushmita Airwal. I am assistant professor from Department of Occupational Therapy. Today is my topic is OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder. So facts about obsessive compulsive disorder. What is obsessive compulsive disorder? It is also called as OCD. OCD is a medical disorder that causes problem in the information processing. OCD is classified by the DSM-4 as an anxiety disorder and it affects over 3.3 million Americans. So what is obsession? Obsession is contamination of fears of germs or dirt. Okay. Then next is compulsion. What is compulsion? Repeatedly washing. And then what is obsession? Needing to have things just so. And what is compulsion? Hoarding or saving things. These are the examples of obsession and compulsion. So what is obsession? Unwanted thought, images or impulses that occur over and over and are it accompanied by uncomfortable feelings such as fear, doubt or disgust. So and after that compulsion, it is also called for example repetitive behaviors in response to the compulsion. Most common is washing and checking things. So these are the example of compulsion. Most commonly is washing and checking. OCD is often confused with this other disorder, that is major depressive disorder, panic disorder, social phobias and ADHD. ADHD is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. So onset can occur anytime from preschool age through adulthood and typically by 40s and equally common in both male and female. So diagnosis criteria according to DSM-4 is compulsion or obsession, typically both are present. Then compulsion or obsession cause marked distress, typically no physical symptoms. Scales are available but they take lots of time and it include history. Communication between patient and medical practitioner is a key. And typical course of OCD. So it is a long process, on average 3 to 4 doctors and over 9 years before receiving the correct diagnosis. And early diagnosis is important. Medicine and cognitive behavior therapy help most individuals experiencing long-term relief. So assessment include visits, clinically visits, the anxiety disorder interview schedule revised, the Yale-Brown obsession compulsive system checklist, the Lewton obsessional inventory and the state rate anxiety inventory of children. So what are the causes of OCD? No concrete cause is there. Parents' role and non-role. Organic reasons are head injuries, brain chemistry, basal ganglia, encephalitis. And what are the differential diagnosis of OCD? So first is depressive disorder versus OCD. So it include preoccupation with depressive thoughts, I have no friends, and realistic versus upset. Second is generalized anxiety disorder versus OCD. So it include excessive worrying and thinking, again realistic versus absurd. Patient with OCD may have extremely intense irrational thoughts and the presence of compulsive ritual. And next is hypochondria versus OCD. So it is closely related. Unrealistic preoccupation of medical concern, presence of checking ritual to decrease anxiety. So other illnesses and neurological disorder versus OCD. So it include anorexia and dysmorphic disorder. It occurs in context of another psychiatric disorder. Tourette syndrome, increased rate of OCD, trichotillomania, and next is compulsive behavior of pathological gamblers and substance abuser. So what are the main ideas of differential diagnosis? The presence of obsessive compulsive ritual, the manner of the compulsive thoughts, for example unrealistic versus realistic, and appropriate versus inappropriate. So what are the treatment include? 2 types, pharmacotherapy and behavioral therapy. The use of medication controlling the symptom of OCD, lessening the intensity and frequency of the obsession and compulsion. Example of medications: Prozac, Luvex, Paxil, Zolofit. Medication continued. Improvement usually takes 3 weeks. Symptoms are reduced but not eliminated. Enafrenil first SRI use. Side effect. What are the side effect of enafrenil? Sedation, blurry vision, weight gain and sexual dysfunction. Side effect of SSRI: side effect insomnia, motor restlessness, nausea and diarrhea. Long term in OCD, long term treatment needed. So what is behavior therapy? It includes exposure and response prevention, not able to eliminate their anxiety, extremely uncomfortable for OCD patient. If behavior therapy is given, 80 to 90% improvement is there. Symptoms are reduced but not eliminated. Follow-up sessions needed for relapse and relapse prevention. Use of both therapies. Severe case of severe case of OCD, so we will use both the therapies, behavior versus medication. Mild case of OCD, use of SSRI and behavior therapy prove to have 70% success rate. Therapy determined by patient willingness to take a medication, willingness to work with psychologist, and environmental factors are also there. Positive and motivated patient, fully trained therapist during behavior therapy. OCD group, family provide encouragement and constant reassurance. Showing frustration with the patient may impact the compulsive behavior. So various OCD treatment are also there, for example occupational therapy and behavior therapy, etc. Thank you.